Right here, please.
Hey everybody, I'm Spot and Jenny. Welcome to my house too. Do you like the internet? Do you like YouTube? Have you ever wished of having a YouTube channel but didn't know how to make one? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'll be showing you how to make your own YouTube channel. So let's start vlogging. What you need: tablet. I recommend Samsung. I'm using Samsung. Camera main/woman. It's optional. I'm not gonna use it.
You just want to turn the computer a little bit. There we go.
First, turn on your tablet and get to YouTube.
Jenny, if you want to pop it underneath there in between times so you can show them kind of as you're doing it. Okay?
Oh yeah, and if your thing isn't working, I know a lot about that.
And
kind
then
of
let
stuff.
her speak, please.
And get to YouTube. I have no Wi-Fi.
I could connect that for you.
You can watch some videos to get the. You can watch some videos to get the hang of a YouTube channel being on the internet. I'm not gonna watch the videos because I have no Wi-Fi. Okay. Then press the gray video camera on the top right of the screen next to the search button. Right there.
It's too bright. We can't see. Yeah, we can. No, not the tablet they're talking about.
So, Jenny, if you just even want to show us maybe just holding it up too, that might
I
work.
can turn the brightness down on the tablet.
It's okay, alright.
It's still too bright. I can barely see it.
You guys are better at this than I am.
We know internet.
Wi-Fi.
We know internet.
Yay.
Yay.
Yay. And press the gray video camera right there.
Oh.
If you click the white video camera, that's a good sign. Then click the red record button. Make whatever your heart desires. You can make a skit, a vlog, or whatever you feel like. Oh, I'm on the wrong page. How did that happen? Okay, wait, I think oh, I skipped a step. If you're on a gray page with a white video camera, the videos that you recorded on your camera, that's a good sign that you're doing it right. Then click the white video camera. The ones I recorded, ones the white video camera. And it should bring you to your camera. Okay. I know I read this stuff, but I'm gonna read it again. If you click the white video camera, that's a good sign. Click the red record button, make whatever your heart desires. You can make a skit, a vlog, or whatever you feel like. So, I never thought about this. I'm just gonna make a little short video because I don't know what to post. Hello. Yeah, that's better. When you're done, click the red record button to stop your video. Then click the gray save button if you don't like what you've done, you can press the dismiss button. Then it will cancel your video that you've done. If you do like what you've done, press the save button, then it'll bring you to a page with your video in sections with the title in the description box. Title it and then add a description. It can be short or long. Also edit your video. Also edit it. You can add music by clicking the music note in the top left corner. So I'm gonna save it. Save. have no Wi-Fi, so it won't show up.
So you just talk us through it if you can't actually don't have the Wi-Fi.
So, you can, up here, if you do have Wi-Fi, you might see your video, like the very first part of your video, then cut then in sections. And there's a title and description box. My title should be, nice. And my description should be, what's it, E? Then I'm done. And then I want them to add music.
It won't even do anything.
Is it when I just need to press that button? And you need to go. Then click the blue arrow on the top right of the screen to post a video that you have made. So the arrow's up here. I'm not gonna click it because I don't want to post it. Just like
Well, you can't post it.
And then please stop.
I'm gonna do it.
Posted it.
I want you.
I think if we don't have the Wi-Fi, and I don't know if it'll actually go on. That's okay. Just talk us through like what would happen though.
So I would like to post you a video, and I would post you a video, and that's fine. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you're feeling good about your first video on the internet. You might be a little anxious about your video that you made, but don't worry. You might get thousands of views and subscribers. You might get the silver, gold, and diamond play button. I hope that in the future you'll be a pro at it. You might also want to make a calendar when you're gonna post something. If you always post videos on Monday and Friday, that's when you're gonna post all the time. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye. I would like to give credit to http://www.quora.com and http://www.techcreator.com for helping me out with Samsung. That's it.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.